by the way all the trees are leaning, which way the wind was going.
This sign got knocked over.
That's West Park at sunrise. It's pretty cool how people are already pulling stuff to the curb. See? You know that shit didn't land, that
Right.
vegetation
No,
didn't
you're
land.
right. You're right.
People are pulling everything to the curb.
See, look, he's got his boat attached to his truck.
Yep. Yeah, that was really scary. The dog got afraid. We stayed at Walker's house. The dog got afraid during the tornado. Knocked over the porta potty. That's got to be disgusting.
Thanks for the